Hello, hello everybody. James here. Haven't made a video in a while. Um, I wanted to show you something, and here is this about a drone, and this drone is called the Sky Tracker GPS video drone. And what this drone has, you can you got an app on it. You go to Google Play or Apple Store. It has 16 minutes of flight time approximately. It has a GPS enabled. It has 1,000 feet flight distance, and this is what it look like. You can also when you hit it, there's a barcode on it, and it takes you right to a YouTube page. Uh, when you hit this barcode, it'll take you right to a YouTube page. It to show you how more in detail how the drone works. I got this drone at Walmart for like it's like $100. Um, and it flies. It got a good distance. This they say the guy said this is one of the better ones. It has a GPS transmission, Wi-Fi, app control. It has a follow me mode, an HD video architect view. It has an auto hover, and is a one key riser, and in the range it can go up to 1,000 feet, and it has a headless mode. Um, so this will look like on the box, and this is what it look like. So this is what the remote look like. That's what the remote look like. That's what that look like. Where's it at? Oh, here's the drone. Da, 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 da. I had to put some tape around it because I can't get the camera to stay on this. But I can just have to probably. But that's it itself. And the reason why I got this drone is because it has a little more weight to it. It won't take off on you in the wind. But other drone, which is over there, which I did another video on, is really light. Really, that drone right there, next to that stick right there, my stick. That drone has light, but this one has a little bit more weight on it. So it's easy to, if it takes off, it hovers. So this is what it looked like. How it looks like when it's on. Uh, see if I can fit the hill. Hold on, I can do the button here. So it lights up. Hold on. Hold on. Oh shoot. Doggone thing came off. That's another thing I had to. But that's what it looks like when it's lit up. Um, you can control it from the phone. I have an Android phone, but what you can do is like, I tell here is the let me see if I can get my camera on it. Here is the it's called Vi Sky Tracker, and it's here's the app. Hope hope I can. Oh shoot! I'm sorry. Trying to get it focused. Okay, here's the app. Hold on. Let me put it on this on my tripod. I know. Look, I gotta get good at this. But this would this what it look like on a tripod. You hit go. You hit and it shows a display like just like New York City, but you hit go, and it takes you right to it. And then now the now it's activated because the camera and the lights. If you can see this, that the lights are stopped. Remember they were blinking, now they're stopped. Then um, you got the remote control. That's what it look like. But you can do it. You have a regular remote, and then you have a digital remote. Then you have a set coordinates like that. You can hit this, and it gives you the GPS. It tells you where where is it where you're about to start from. Um, I'm currently so hold on. I hope I get up without. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can start it. Show you how to start. Um, hopefully don't mind the minute. But yeah, that's it right there. But you hit this. You hit. Uh, hold on one minute. Uh, you have to put the leg on. But that's how you put the leg on. Okay. I gotta figure out how to match that too. So therefore, you got this. I don't know if you can see. You got a display. And let me see if I can get this thing off. Okay. It's kind of right now. The camera is on the box. That's why I got that white. That's what the camera is on. It's focused on the box. But this, if I move it, you see the camera. It's kind of like that deal. Maybe I can point it that way. Okay. Anyway, this is what it look like. As you see, it's the camera on it. And how you start it is you hit this button right here. That's what it look like. And it shuts itself off because it has the white pattern. But that's how it is. You have you have that, and then you have this. Uh, you can make it into the double. See, now I got double frame. Those of you probably familiar with, excuse the sudden moments in the camera. Um, but that's what it looked like. Uh, Here's the camera button up here, the video cord right here. This is the see how it's flashing because it's on this page. And so when I go, it stopped. And yeah, it's wild, man. But yeah, it takes a charge. The batteries, it has the battery comes with this. Of course, you have to get 4 double A's with the remote control battery. But that's pretty much it. It's a Skydrone. This is my new project right here. And the reason why I got this drone is because it's much heavier. So if it ever sustain a high wind, it has some weight. But when you have a lighter drone, that thing will take off. So I got this for like $100. I had another drone. It was the Tellurizer that I made by DJ Maverick, but it wouldn't register to my phone real well. But this thing did. But this is it. This is it again. This is it does all this for your money, and you can get it at Walmart. You know, I don't know wherever your city is at, but Walmart is having these, and this is what it look like when it's fully charged up. The camera's right there. That's the camera. I gotta put some duct tape around it because I can't get it to stay. This is what it looked like at the bottom. But yeah, but pretty cool little drone. And you can't beat for the money, man, because uh, they want like for drones, they want $300 or $400 for some probably something this size with weight with it. And I went into the hobby shops and stuff, and they got a little smaller drone, but some don't have a camera on it, some do. But yeah, I saw this. So you can get this called Sky Tracker GPS Video Drone, and get this at Walmart. And I hope this for those who are out there that want to get some drone footage. I hope this help out. Until next time, I hope this. I wish I could fly it in here, but it'll run into something, tear it up and knock itself out. I did that already. Uh, yes, and that was not too smart. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, James out. Take care.